Alrighty, Ken, here's another one of your 632 airboat engine. Your description of this combination. It's got a set of RCNC heads on it, sniper manifold, ATM carburetor, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got our custom pan built by Stefs. Innovators West Stantler. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,300, 798 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 847 foot-pounds, peak horsepower 803, so everything's good. What we'll do now, pull pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. It's got all your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech tips, so really good stuff. On the engine will be this card. It'll have your engine number. That's the easiest way for us to look up any information you need from us. If you flip it over, UR code on the back, hover over that, click on it, take you to our site, a bunch more technical information. Highly recommend you watch all these stuff. It'll help you with your installation. Have a great day.